welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Hi everybody. I am so sorry I have been gone so long. My life has just been so crazy lately. I could not even get the chance to make a video. I have had some merry mail here for so long, and I apologize to everybody for taking so long. Open this. I wanted to give you, show everybody your kindness, and also this gives you a shout out for your channel. I had so many doctor's appointments. I've got tests I've got going on. And it's just been so crazy. The weather's been so cold here. My water's been brown. So it's just crazy. So I'm trying to keep up with everybody as much as I can. So, all right. So, these cards are from some of my friends here on the YouTube, and I really appreciate y'all thinking of me. I did get some stuff sent out to some folks, ladies that sent me Christmas cards. I'll be sending you some Valentine's cards. So this comes from, I'm not sure who this is. It says Flory, I think. I'm not sure who this is. So let's open it, and hopefully there's maybe a channel name on here. Oh, look how pretty this card is. Merry everything and happy always. Isn't that cute? This is from Simply Katie. Oh, Simply Katie Walk. I am new to her and she is new to me, but look at this pretty card she made. Oh, how cute. Well, thank you so much for sending me a card and thinking of me. Oh, yeah, this is lotion on my hands. My hands are so dry. Thank you so much. I will link everybody's channel in the description. If you do not know these ladies, please make sure you go and check out their channels. Again, I apologize for being so late opening all this mail. And this is from Donna Designs. Joy, love, and peace. Oh, Donna, thank you. And I hope you all had a fantastic Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you so much for sending me a card. I really appreciate that. And this comes from a friend, Annie. Annie creates, and Annie has a terrific channel as well. Very creative, talented. Her and her man are just your cricket experts. They do so much stuff with their cricket. Annie is just a sweetheart. I love her to death. When I first started YouTube, Annie was one of the first people that I met that was so nice to me, and I just jumped right into her channel. She was going to, I think it was an elephant sanctuary, and I was so jealous because I love animals so much, but I was so happy for her, and I was so excited for her, and I got to see her. I think that's the very first time I saw her actually, other than her hands, was when she went with the elephants, and you could just see the pure joy in her face. But Annie has always been so nice, so supportive, just the same all the way around. She's never wavered. So Annie is just a sweetheart. I think the world of her. I love her to pieces. Every good and perfect gift comes from above. James 17. Look how gorgeous this card is. She's made this, of course, and it just looks like it absolutely came from Hallmark. It's gorgeous. May the gift of the very first Christmas be present in your home today. Merry Christmas with love and light, Annie. Annie creates. Look how gorgeous. This card was made with prayerful hands. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Annie is just so talented and creative. Oh my goodness. This is from, y'all remember Gilly the Monster. This is from them. I'm not going to show this on here because this is all of her beautiful family, and I don't know. I don't think she would want me to do that. So, very beautiful card from Allison and all of her family and Gilly. All of their little fur babies. Halos on here. Oh, and their bunny. And their doggies. Oh, so precious. Thank you so much, Allison, for this. I just love your Christmas cards. I love having pictures of your beautiful family. I hope y'all had a Merry Christmas. And then this is from Carolina Bug, Teresa. And so, Teresa, I'm going to get you a Valentine's goodie out. All seasons greetings. May the hope of Christmas remain in your heart throughout the year. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year, love. Teresa Carolina Bug. Then she's got these little foamy stickers in here. Maybe they're not stickers. They might be. How cute. So cute on like a little embellishment. Teresa, thank you so much. So much for thinking of me at Christmas. And then this is from my friend Regina. Regina creates too. She used to be Regina's Plans and but now she's Regina Creates too. And then little love your way because it's Christmas and because you're so very special. Merry Christmas and a blessed and very happy 2025. Love, Regina. Christmas 2024. Oh, Regina, thank you so much. It's so pretty. This card is so pretty. Thank you, Regina, for the card. I really appreciate it. And then this is from the very sweet and talented, the Shabby Hippie Isabel. I think she's made this. I think she's printed this image out. How beautiful. May this Christmas be filled with beautiful blessings and lots of joy. Love, Isabel, the Shabby Hippie. Handmade by Isabel, the Shabby Hippie. Yes, isn't that beautiful? I'm hoping to be able to print some beautiful images like this on my new printer. I got one of those Epson printers. Oh, she's so pretty. Isabel, this card's gorgeous. Thank you so much. I received a card from my friend Maxine. Maxine Loves Crafts, and she handmade this beautiful card. Believe in the magic. These little penguins. North Pole special delivery to Sharon. Official elf use only. It's this little stamp. Oh, where'd you get this stamp? And I made the nice list. Delivered on December 25th from Maxine. Merry Christmas. I love this. Official elf use only. Oh, that's so cute. Beautiful card. That's so cute. I wonder where you got that stamp. You have to let us know. That's adorable. And then I received a package from my friend Laura from Laura's Plans and Crafts. And it's in this little box here. I'm going to flip this over, open it, and I'll be right back. Oh, okay. I'm going to take everything out of this box here. Okay, here's their card. Oh, Laura, I just so appreciate your friendship too. Laura is just a sweetheart. She is just a good-hearted person. If you don't know Laura's channel, please, all of these ladies, go check out their channels. I'll have everybody linked in the description. All right, let's see what Laura sent. This beautiful paper here. Try to hold on to that. Oh, looky there. Oh, look how cute these little baskets are. Love this pink paper behind here. Laura, these are so cute. All these flowers with these gems. These are so cute. And then she's got these cute little bags to keep that too. What's that say? Oh, goodness. Hazelnut mint lip balm. Oh, that is cute. Well, thank you. Some Junior Mint hot cocoa. Oh, I bet that is good. I bet that is delicious. I'm gonna have to try that for sure. Then she sent me the dies. She had showed these on her channel, and I think one doesn't cut as well. And she said she had an extra one, but I want to try it. But I think one cuts well. So we'll try it out and see. But at least you can get one frame. I think it's this one that cuts. Maybe the intricate frame does not cut as well. How cute is this bag and her bag topper on here? Laura, thank you so much. How adorable. Laura is always so kind and generous and thoughtful. Set that right there so I can look at that tomorrow. This looks like that collection that I used for a swap. Oh, look. These she showed these on her channel, and I ordered this die because she made these cute little pockets. Dear Santa, define good. Right? Oh my goodness. And then she's got some, let's see, can we get in here without tearing that open? She's got some trim in here is what it looks like. That's a good idea. Okay, so I had to come back and show you what in Laura's package I thought was a piece of fabric, like trim, was actually this little cup holder. I'm assuming you're gonna put this over your like your to-go coffee mug or something, and that will keep you from burning your hands. If I'm not, hopefully I'm right, Laura. You'll let me know if that's what this is. I'm pretty sure that's what that is, and I love this. But if I'm wrong, tell me I'm wrong, because I'm not sure. I think that's what it is for. Thank you so much, Laura. I love it. Oh, look at the die cuts. I always think that is such a great idea. And every year we tell ourselves, we're going to start early. We're going to get things done early so we can get stuff out. And then something always happens where that it doesn't work out that way. Oh, look how pretty. And then here is a merry-go-round. Of course, I love bows so much. These are so pretty. Oh, look, these are great for that Maggie Holmes collection, carousel. Gorgeous. Thank you so much, Laura. Those are always just such great things to receive. Anytime you can do something, I have to get your die cutting machine out. It's always great. Look at her pockets, so cute. And then she put a whole, oh, look how cute. You did this so great. That's that KS Craft. And she showed, so you need to cut this out twice. And I just do not like bag toppers. You got to cut twice. She, folded that over and added just a little tab to there. And I think that is such a terrific idea. And then she's got some gingerbread stickers in here. Some back. Oh, look at those snowmen. How adorable. Little polar bear. Oh, look at the little reindeer and the hollies. There's a little chocolate star. A tree. And then all these cute little foamy stickers. I don't want to tear that bag topper up. Thank you, Laura. So cute. And a candy cane. And a tea. Bring on the cheer with a jubilant blend of black. I did get a new magnifying glass with a white. I don't even know what that word is. Oolong. Green tea and hints of peach. I bet that is delicious. I will definitely be trying that for sure. Laura, this is so cute. I just love how you put this together. How stinking adorable. I love your little bag toppers. Oh, let's see. Let's get this ribbon back on here. Yeah, I love this tag. And she has a tutorial on her channel for this tag pocket. And this is KS Craft, and I will link that video in the description. Okay, let's see what she's got here. Oh my goodness, look at this. A Winnie the Pooh glasses case. How precious is that? Look how cute. I love it. Laura, thank you so much. Always so kind and thoughtful. I really, really appreciate you thinking of me. I really do. And make sure you all check out these ladies' channels if you have not already, which I'm sure everybody has already. All right, I missed you all. I hope you all had a fantastic Christmas. I hope you have a fantastic new year. I hope 2025 brings you all the blessings and happiness you can handle, because we know 2024 was not the easiest for so many of us. I know it wasn't for me, and I know some of my friends are facing some very difficult times come this year, but we're going to keep people in our prayers and be strong for our friends, right? Thank you all so much. Have a fantastic week. Thank you. Bye.